Going on? This is Bryan back with the update on the last promotion with this app. I was telling y'all they had a promotion. You refer 3 friends who invest $5 each, and you will be paid out a $500 bonus. Well, I kind of forgot about that. It took about 7-10 days, and I just checked it. They paid me the $500. I referred 3 people, and they each invested $5, so they each had their own chance to make $500. I don't know if they did. It doesn't show me which 3 people actually triggered the bonus, so I guess the first 3 who responded to my email. So if you were one of those people and you're on my list, I do appreciate it. I do want to let you know, hold on, you can see here, the transaction. So that was for 3 referrals. They give you like 7 days to collect those referrals, so it has to happen within that window. And for 3 referrals who invested 5, they paid out the $500. So I want to let you know about the current promotion. This is about to be my new favorite app. Look at the new promotion. We'll invest $1,000 into your investment account, and 5 of your friends joins and deposits $5 before the 16th. Today is the 11th, well, the 12th now. So I'm going to get that as well.